The Lauburu is a traditional hooked cross with four comma-shaped heads, resembling a swastika. Today, Lauburu is a symbol of the Basque Country and the unity of the Basque people. It is also associated with the Galicians and Asturians. It can be constructed with a compass and straightedge, beginning with the formation of a square template. Each head can be drawn from a neighboring vertex of this template with two compass settings, with one radius half the length of the other. Historians and authorities have attempted to apply allegorical meaning to the ancient symbol. Agustin Chejo said it signifies the four heads or regions of the Basque Country. The Lauburu does not appear in any of the 7 coats of arms that have been combined in the arms of the Basque Country, Higher and Lower Navarre, Gipuzkoa, Biscay, Alava, Labard, and Saul. The Basque intellectual Imanol Muxica liked to say that the heads signify form, life, sensibility, and conscience, but it is generally used as a symbol of prosperity. After the time of the Antonines, Camille Julian finds no specimen of hooked crosses, round nor straight, in the Basque area until modern times. Paracelsus's Archidoxus Magicae features a symbol similar to the Lauburu that is to be drawn to heal animals. Louis Colas considers that the Lauburu is not related to the swastika but comes from Paracelsus and marks the tombs of healers of animals and healers of souls. Around the end of the 16th century, the Lauburu appears abundantly as a Basque decorative element in wooden chests or tombs, perhaps as another form of the cross. Straight swastikas are not found until the 19th century. Many Basque homes and shops display the symbol over the doorway as a sort of talisman. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.